Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the 7th puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, still Saturday, October the 3rd, 2020. We have 2 Sudokus left. Binary number 1 and binary number 2. First I will solve this binary, and this will be number 1685. So what kind of binary is this one? Let me count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here an O, there an O. We have now 4 O's in this column, so the rest are 1's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here O, there no. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Between 2 1's comes an O. Between 2 1's comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here an O, then O. Then between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Between 2 1's comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1 2 3 4 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Between 2 1's comes an O. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. 4 1's in this row, so the rest are O's. 4 1's, so the rest are O's in this row. And then 1 2 3 4 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Then and then we need to compare, I think. Yeah. Need to compare. Let me see. How about 10. How about 10? Yes. This row and the last row. 0011001100 empty box. 11 empty box. So we need to switch these two numbers. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 4 O's in this column, so the rest are 1's. Then 4 1's in this row, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have 4 1's in this column, so the rest are O's. We have 4 O's in this row, so the rest are 1's. We have 4 1's in this column, so the rest are O's. We have 4 O's in this row, so the rest are 1's. 1 2 3 4. Yes, completed in 4 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku, great binary Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other binary puzzle. I hope I will complete this also in 4 minutes, just like this one. Alright, thank you. Bye bye for now. See you soon.